Hi, and thank you for taking a look at my listing on 397 Fair Landing Avenue in Fairview, Texas. Your dream home awaits. This move-in ready zero-energy home boasts endless upgrades and prime location. It's a previous model home with 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths located in the desirable Villages at Fairview. 3 of the bedrooms are down, and one of those is an optional study. It's less than a mile from famous Village at Allen and Fairview Town Center shopping and dining. The backyard is spacious with an organic dream garden ready for pickings, including an apple and peach tree. Special features include the Pure Home water system with reverse osmosis drinking water, as well as a security and video surveillance system. Enjoy minimal energy bills with the paid-off solar panels. It also has a whole home intercom system that not only speaks but also plays music. It's walking distance to parks and trails and is located in McKinney ISD with a buy-in option for Lovejoy ISD. Don't wait. Come take a look today.